Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about informal letters and formal letters. So, firstly, we will discuss about format of a informal letters. Means how we can write a informal letter. What are the main uh, conditions that we can use in this? So, first is sender's address. Like if we are I am writing a informal letter, then at the top I will write my address there. Okay, if you are writing, then your address will be mentioned there. You will write your own address. After that, date, on which date we are writing that. Then salutation means greetings, like dear uncle, dear friend, and any other we can use like a respectable father. Okay, so like this. After that, the body of a letter means main content. Here you will start. Okay, then in the body of the letter, what we will write? Three main things are there. One is introduction, then main content, then at last conclusion. So at the end of the letter, you will write subscription. What is this? Your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving friend. Okay, and you can also write yours lovingly, yours affectionately. Okay, at last you will write name. Okay, so one letter we will discuss regarding this. Okay, write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday gift he has sent to you. Okay, so firstly, what we will write? Address. So, firstly, what we will write? Address. In the address, like civil lines, Ludhiana. Here you can also write village Kachapaka, district Taran Taran. So, after that, date, in which date you are writing, like today is 11th May. So, we will write May 11, comma, then 2021. After that, salutation, dear uncle. Okay, then body of the letter. We have already discussed in the body of the letter three main things are there. First is introduction, then main content, then conclusion. So in the introduction, what we will write? I hope you are in the best of your health and spirit. Okay, like here you can also write I hope you are fine. Okay, I hope you all are healthy. Okay, so introduction. Then main content. I am writing this letter to thank you for sending me a beautiful birthday present. I needed a wristwatch and you have fulfilled my wish. Okay, because he was needed. Okay, and his uncle has fulfilled his need, so now he is thankful to him. So this watch will help me to be regular and punctual. This was the main content. And then is conclusion. It will always remind me of your love for me. I thank you from the core of my heart. Convey my warm regards to aunt. Okay, this was the conclusion. In conclusion, means we will conclude whole letter, and at last we will wish to other family members. We will convey our regards with the other family members. So at the last, subscription, you are affectionately, yours lovingly, you can write here, and after that name. Like here is written Harpal. So here you can write your name like Gurpreet. Okay, Gurpreet Kaur, and you can also write other students according to your name. Okay, so this was the informal letter. And one demo is also written here, asking a cousin to spend summer vacations together. Okay, you can ask your friend. Okay, you can ask to your cousin. Okay, you can also ask to your friends. Means informal letters always we write to our friends, to our relatives. But formal letters that are different from the informal, because formal letters we mainly write to the formal institutes like editor of the magazines or newspapers. Okay, otherwise you can we can also write when we are going to complaint, okay, to the magistrate. We can also write, or we can also write to the municipalities. If there is a problem in our municipal, we can say locality, then we can write formal letter to the municipality. Okay, mayor in the municipal corporations. Okay, so you can say to any department, if we are writing, then we write formal letters. Okay, then what is the format of the formal letter? It is totally different from the informal letters. So in the formal letters, what is there? First is sender's address. On the top, okay, you will write your own address. Like one demo is given here. Read the letter given below and take note of the layout. So firstly, sender's address here is written 406 sector 18A Chandigarh. Okay, you can write your own address here, like village Kachapaka, district Taran Taran. Okay, so next is address of the person, company, department to whom the letter is addressed. To whom you are going to write the letter. Here you will write the address of particular person. Okay, like in the demo they have given the medical officer of health department, Chandigarh administration, Chandigarh. Okay, here you can also write the health department of Taran Taran. Okay, the medical officer, that you can write chief medical officer, health department, Taran Taran. Okay, CMO. If you want to write a you can say letter to the CMO, chief medical officer. Okay, then next is date. Like here is written 30 March, so you can write current date 11th of May, okay, 2020. Then the subject of the letter. Okay, the subject of the letter we always write subject. Okay, regarding, we must use the word regarding. Okay, like here is written removal of garbage. Okay, so we will write subject regarding of regarding removal, sorry, subject regarding removable of garbage. Okay, you can also write subject, like if you are writing chief medical officer, okay, regarding the health of people. You can say sanitation, okay, in the locality. Okay, your subject may be vary according to your what do you want to write, okay, according to your need. So after that, salutation, okay, sir, respected sir or madam. Okay, you can use this word dear sir, the respectable, respected ma'am, respected sir. Okay, these words you can use here. After that, body, the body of the letter it also vary. Okay, three main things are there, three main paragraph we will write. In the first paragraph we will write introduction. Okay, you will give your introduction. Okay, means who are you. Okay, like here is written, I wish to draw your attention to the fact that insanitary conditions exist in our sector. Okay, means you must draw the attention of particular officer. what do you want to say कि जिस चीज़ के लिए आप डिपार्टमेंट का ध्यान दिलाना चाहते हैं, तो पहले आप उसकी अटेंशन वर्ड आप यूज़ करोगे कि आई वांट टू ड्रॉ योर अटेंशन. ओके, कि मैं आपकी अटेंशन उसमें दिलाना चाहता हूँ, जो भी वहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है या गड़बड़ी हुई है उसके लिए। सेकेंड पैराग्राफ, गिव डिटेल ऑफ द मैटर, देन यू विल गिव डिटेल लाइक फॉर द पास्ट सेवरल डेज द back lanes have not been cleaned and the garbage has started stinking, कि गार्बेज इधर उधर फैला हुआ है और कोई भी उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहा। सो दिस इज़ द मेन कंटेंट। ओके, यू विल गिव डिटेल ऑफ द मैटर, जो भी आपको प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं वो डिटेल्स आप सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में लिख दोगे सब। एंड इन द थर्ड पैराग्राफ कंक्लूड, ओके, कंक्लूजन इन द थर्ड पैराग्राफ लाइक kindly get the garbage removed and the back lanes sprayed with disinfectants so that we live in hygienic। ओके, सो कंक्लूजन में आप जो भी आपको सारी चाहिए होगी ना, जो चीज़ें आपको, उन सबको आप कंक्लूड कर दोगे। ओके, कंडीशंस एंड स्प्रेड फ्रॉम डिजीजेस, ताकि हम डिजीजेस से बच सकें। ओके, सो वो सारी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उन सबको रिमूव किया जाए। एट द लास्ट, व्हाट इज द सब्सक्रिप्शन, ओके, while closing the letter, so what words you will use here? Yours truly, sincerely, okay, these words we will use. So here they have written yours sincerely. H Singh means Harnam Singh, okay, any word we can use. And one demo is here, ordering a magazine. Okay, so one person, he is writing a formal letter to the editor, okay, Femina Time of India building, okay, to the Femina magazine, subscribing to Femina. Okay, Femina is the name of magazine and he want to subscribe me, he want to continue to read this magazine, okay, for whom, so he want to he is writing a letter, so ordering a magazine. Okay, so see this also, read this letter. Hopefully you understood what is the difference between informal and formal letters. Formal letters we always write to the formal institutes, okay, to the editor of the magazines. When we are going to complain about to higher authority, then also we write formal letters. But informal letters we write to our belongings, okay, to our relatives, to our friends. Thank you so much students, hopefully you understand. Thank you so much.